Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In this DocHub guide for 2026, I'll show you how to delete documents in DocHub. Whether you're removing outdated files, cleaning up your workspace, or getting rid of documents you no longer need, DocHub makes the process quick and straightforward. So let's get started. For documents connected to cloud storage services like Google Drive or Dropbox, remember that deleting a file in DocHub may not automatically remove the original file from the connected storage account. Finally, refresh your document list and verify that the file has been removed successfully from your DocHub workspace, and that's how to delete documents in DocHub. Regularly removing unnecessary files can help keep your workspace organized and make document management much easier. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.